Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ActiveCampaign for marketing workflow automation step by step. Visit the ActiveCampaign website. Click on the Start Your Free Trial button. Fill out the registration form with your details. Enter your full name. Provide a valid email address. Create a secure password. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Click the Get Started button. Check your email for a confirmation message from ActiveCampaign. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. You will be redirected to the ActiveCampaign dashboard. Complete the setup wizard by choosing your primary goal for using ActiveCampaign. Select between options like increase sales or grow your audience. Enter your business information in the required fields. Add your company name. Provide your company website URL. Choose the industry that best fits your business. Set up your contact list by clicking on the Lists tab. Click Add a List to create your first list. Name your list and provide a short description. Set the default from name and email address for your emails. Save the list. Next, navigate to the Automations tab. Click on Create an Automation. Choose a pre-built automation or start from scratch. Follow the prompts to customize your automation workflow. Set the triggering conditions for your automation. Add actions like sending emails, tags, or updating contact information. Review your automation steps carefully. Test your automation to ensure it works as intended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.